Well, howdy, our people is. Guess what came in the mail today? The ADBA DNA Kit for AriYo. And good news is AriYo and her siblings were born July 19th, 2022. And I'm in the process of deciding which puppy will be AriYo. It's taking quite a bit of time to figure that out. Puzzled friend. Yes, puzzled friend. Anyway, it's taking quite a bit of time to figure out which one will be AriYo, because you have to decide on which one has the right temperament for service dog job, and that takes quite a bit of time to figure that out. And they were just born, so we have to wait a few weeks to make sure my decision will be a correct decision. Otherwise it'll be too risky of a gamble. If I choose the wrong one, it will not work out right, so we have to watch for the right temperament and everything. So, yep. In case you're wondering what a ADBA DNA Kit looks like, that's what it comes looking like. The swabs are in there and form and all that. So, pretty cool. The Embark and UKC kits are already at the breeders, and she kind of wants to wait until not only that we have, chosen the right puppy, but also to make sure, I guess she wants to wait until, she's sent to the house. So anyway, later y'all. Bye.